In Canada, a defined contribution pension plan is a retirement savings vehicle where the future benefit depends on the total contributions made. The name highlights the core feature. The specific amount of money contributed into the account is defined, not the final payout amount. Unlike older pension models, you are responsible for the performance of your retirement savings account. These plans often feature matching from your employer, individual control over asset allocation, and the ability to transfer funds if you switch careers. This differs significantly from a defined benefit plan, which promises a specific monthly income regardless of how the underlying investments perform. Over decades, consistent contributions and potential market growth can build a significant retirement nest egg within the plan structure. Because you control the allocations, keeping a long-term perspective is vital for managing your growth and risk effectively. Review your plan documents to understand your specific options. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more retirement basics.